Hello YouTuber, if you create a new channel and you don't know how to customize your channel, this video for you, how you can simply customize your channel in one video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how can you customize your channel, and additionally, I'm going to show you some setting for your YouTube channel. So let's get started. First of all, go to your browser and go to YouTube Studio. This channel is for demo purpose. Now go to customization. Now you can see there are three things: layout, branding, and basic info. I'm going to basic info first. Now you can see there are name, handle, and description. So name is for your channel name. You can customize your handle. So actually, what is handle? Now you can see youtube.com/@twinreaction. So this is your handle. You can customize this from here. I don't need my customization, so I don't do customization for my channel. Now you can see there are description for your channel. So how can we create description for your channel? I can show you. For this purpose, I'm going to use AI, ChatGPT. So let's get started. So I'm going here and I just simply click. So now you can see this. Our description is ready. So I just simply copy and paste this. If you want to customize this, you can do it. But this is for my demo channel. So I need to delete some work. You can also add your channel language. So in my case, my channel language is English. If you're making in other language, like example, I select Arabic, and then you need to translate the language. You can simply click it. You can also add videos link in your channel. If you click at it, you can see link title and URL. You can also add Facebook, YouTube, and your website here. It's like an example. Okay, my page is Facebook. You can add 5 links in your YouTube channel. You can see there, first 5 links. But in my case, I just use one link. So I select first link. I just simply click my URL. You can also give your email address. If some people want to contact you, that's how they can contact with you. So I'm going to give the email address. Now I'm just submitting. Now I'm going to my channel. Now you can see the changes. If I go to about system, I can see there all my details. For the new YouTuber, they need to change some setting purpose for the setting. And you just simply select your currency to $. I have already selected it. You go to channel, you select your country. In my case, I'm going to select here. And you need to put some QR. So I'm going to give QR for my channel. Now you can see we are going to generate some QR for our channel. Now we go to open pages. Now I'm going to send this. Now I'm major investigate. If your channel is for kids, then select yes. In my case, not. I select now. If you have Google Ads account, you can get in there. If you want to state automatic restaurant, then select there. So I just because upload the post. Now this is for your video, right? So if you look what using 10-30 for every video, then you don't select the missing. Would you have one select? So what is your video link? In my case, to this image. So I select it. Go to publisher. Now go to branding. In this case, we need to upload our logo. So I already created logo. I just upload it from our PC. I also upload cover over here. Now you can adjust from here. You can also upload video watermark.